Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a casting called as Camo Convoy. It's not a new casting, but I recently acquired it. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Camo Convoy out of its box, and it's a truck. Obviously has got nice blue paint, some details I can see. So let's start from the front. So in the front you can see the headlamp, grille and everything, but none of them are painted. Got both the mirrors. You can see there are 3 seats, no windshield wipers, and metal bumper. Looks like a winch, maybe horn. I think it's not a winch, it might be something else. Now on the driver's side we got some good details. You can see Matchbox, engineers, and some more stickers. I think it's showing the company the truck is from. And you can also see these wheels, which I've seen so many different Matchbox. They look like older steel wheels or hubcaps, which I think looks good here on a truck. You can see the door handle and turn indicators detail there. Again, some details on the bed. I don't know what that metal bar is. Might be just a rod. More running lights on the side, and look like toolbox and for battery, I guess. Now let's move to the back. So you can see the tail lamp position, but again it's not detailed or painted, so not a lot of details on here. And you can see the hood bed is covered with, looks like cloth, I guess, tarp. On the passenger side looks almost identical, can't really see any major differences. And this is how it looks from the top. They have tried to show some wrinkles here to make it look more like tarp, and this might be like a rope to tie it. Yeah, this comes off, so not a lot of details in the bed. It's just a plain bed, but I never thought a clear bed you won't ever see that on a truck, but yeah, it can be opened up. And yeah, so I think it's a decent looking casting. Obviously can use a lot of details on it, but for a truck I don't think it looks bad. It looks all right. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.